Hello, anybody is there? Hi, Dusri Gandhi. Who is there? Who is there? Srishti, Madhura, Sachin, Roshzi, Roshamze. Hi, Srishti. Hi, Jyoti. Hi, Arisha, Arav, Abhishek. Let's wait for like some time so that everyone can join. Lakshmi, hello. Hi, Bhakti. Have you guys made anything, bro? Like finished your tree yet? I'm still working on my bottle. So still I have the other side of the tree to cover. So I'll cover it later, maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So I'll show you everything on Monday. If you have finished your bottle, definitely send me pictures so that I can see what you have done and what else we can do with the same material. Okay, I'm just waiting for like few minutes so that everyone can join and they will be on the same page as us. Meanwhile, bring your newspaper. Let me show you. Any newspaper, magazine, anything is fine. Even the hard paper, any kind of paper is fine. You just need papers to as a material, as a base material. If you don't have newspaper, you can use any of the hard paper or the cardboard paper. The thing is, if you are using any hard paper, for example this, so you need to again make small pieces so that it can shape with the bowl. Samantha, the session not started yet because I'm waiting for everyone to join. Hi Gurpreet, hi Anita, hi Amanpreet. I'm just waiting for some everyone to join. And meanwhile, you just need to bring papers. Any kind of paper is fine. Then you need Fevicol or any glue. If you have any thick glue like Fevicol, then you need water and then you need a bowl. Any bowl is fine. And you need plastic wrap. If you don't have this plastic wrap, it's a food wrap. You can use any plastic, any polythene is fine. Gurpreet, today is about the paper bowl. So we are going to make bowl और बोन आउट ऑफ अ पेपर. एक पेपर के साथ में पूरा हम बोन बनाने वाले हैं जो कि हाय इंद्रमोहन, हाय खुशबू, हाय दिव्या, हाय अतुल, रमेश, नैन्सी. So basically we are going to use a lot of paper to make our bowl. And the thing is, if you remember, we made origami, we did paper quilling. तो बहुत सारा पेपर वेस्ट बचा हो रहा. एंड आई सेट दैट टाइम एज वेल कि फेंकने का ज़रूरत नहीं, यू कैन यूज़ द सेम पेपर वेस्ट फॉर मेनी थिंग्स. हाई ट्राजर. सो यू कैन व्हाट इफ वी डोंट हैव एनी प्लास्टिक. Check if you have any painter's tape or any tape, because the thing is, if you put Fevicol on any surface, वो पेपर उसके ऊपर चिपक जाएगा. And when you try to take it out, वो बाहर नहीं आने वाला, it will not come out. So you need any plastic, any tape. If I would have not any tape, plastic, I would have used any tape, any cello tape, any duct tape, any tape is fine. So you need those materials. And if you have finished your bottles or any made any other project, watching our tutorials or videos, do share the pictures so that we can put it on our stories and tag us if you are posting it on your wall, because we are not on a friend list. So you need to tag us, and to tag you need to write @ hobby in a box, and you will see a list. and you can choose our page, and then we will get the notification that you tapped us and you made something watching our videos. And that actually give us encouragement to do more sessions. And if you are not able to tag us on your post, what you can do is you can send us pictures so that we can see we are using a plastic board. Is that okay? Do we need still plastic? So just to be sure that your paper bone will come out of the plastic bone, I prefer if you could use a tape or something on the bone so that it will not ruin, because you never know what will happen once we start putting the layer on the bone. So I prefer if you use any plastic or any tape on your bone. I'll show you how to use it. Once I change the camera engine, then you will be able to see everything. uh, okay, so I think it's already 5 minutes. Let me just change the camera engine, and then meanwhile you need a board, plastic, newspaper, a lot of newspaper, magazine paper, any waste paper, Fevicol, a cup, and Fevicol with the water. If you have white glue or transparent glue, you don't need water for it. You can directly use it. So just give me like couple of seconds so that I can move my camera and then we can start. And whoever missed yesterday's session, they can go on YouTube. It's already uploaded there and you can watch it there. Okay. Just a second. I was making my bottle art at night, so I still have a powder on my board top, and I don't want to waste it. So just let me just clear it out. I missed it earlier. Okay, I can use the same powder later on. Oops. And these paper bone will not be waterproof. If you want these paper bone to be waterproof, you need a varnish after finishing it. So if you want, you can use varnish, but that is optional. But if you are not using varnish, that paper bone will not be waterproof. Give me like some time so that I can move my camera. And as you know, my one of the stand is very wobbly, so it take a little extra time. And on Monday, maybe I'll show you what I finished with my bottle, because I am working on few more projects, so it will take me a little extra time. But if you finish it before me, do send us pictures. Let me see if it is at the same angle. No. Okay. Let me make it stable so that we can easily walk around. In guys, our more personal workshop are coming soon. So if you wanted to join that one-on-one session, you make sure you subscribe on our newsletter as well as on our Facebook, on WhatsApp and Telegram group, so that you will have all the updates. Okay, I think it's fine. Let's see what we need. So this is your board. This will be your base. You can use any square, any base if you want. The only thing you need to keep in mind, either you can use the inside or the outside. I'm going to use the outside, but whatever side you are using, you need to cover it with the plastic or with the tape. If you are using tape, take a small and then just stick it, so that when you start applying the Fevicol, it may not ruin your bone and it will come out very easily. because I have plastic wrap, that's why I'm using it. If you don't have, you have alternative for the cello tape and other any kind of tape. It's a food wrap. If anyone is wondering what kind of plastic this is food wrap, which is normally used to save your foods and store those in the fridge. And as you can see, my bowl is a little wider. Another layer of it vertically on the same. Okay, it's done. And just to be sure that while working as well, it will not ruin or it will not move, I'm just going to put a little tape here and there just to secure my plastic. I'm just securing my plastic wrap so that it will not move. If you are using any plastic bag, you can tie a knot on the top. So this is for the pre-preparation for the bowl or any art. For any art form, you need to prepare the surface, you need to do the pre-preparation, even if it is like the printing or the painting or any kind of art, you need to prepare your surface first. If you do the pre-processing, then it will be much more easy for you to work on the surface and make your project. And it goes for anything and everything. And if you have any doubts, make sure you send me comments. Without comments or your reaction, I may not be able to help you out. So make sure you send me comments, and when I say I finished one step, just give me a thumbs up so that I know I can move for the next part. So this is of my bowl. You can use the inside, put tape around everywhere inside, and then you put papers. How to put papers, that we will come soon. So just give me a thumbs up if you finish this part, so that I can show you how to prepare your glue or the Fevicol, how to use your Fevicol better. Just give me a thumbs up if you finished it. Rupa Bhatti send me a video request. Let me see. You guys are done? Okay. So next step is your water. Hi,
Hi.
you wanted to share something?
No, nothing. I just put the button of the request. So what are we learning exactly?
So we are making a paper bowl.
Okay.
You can use it
Okay.
for the fruits basket or the art supply or supply. And
Okay.
like since past few days we are doing so many projects, so we may have a waste material like leftover paper. So instead of
Correct.
throwing it in garbage, we can use it.
Okay.
Let me just finish it, and if you want, you can join me later on as well.
Sure, sure. No worries. No worries. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, so you need water as a adhesive or as a glue. You can use, if you have a clear glue, जो normal spoon वाला glue होता है बच्चों के लिए, you can use that directly on the paper. But I have Fevicol, so what I'm going to do is, because it's very thick, as you can see, it's very thick. So I'm going to mix it with water and dilute it a little. So how much Fevicol goes in how much water? So basically you need 1 part of Fevicol and 3 part of वाटर, जितना भी फेविकॉल है उसका 3 टाइम्स पानी यूज करना है. So you can measure it, or you can just go by your instinct. Okay, it will take a lot of time to pour it like that. So let me just open it and then it's easy. And while mixing any paint or any glue with water or diluting, make sure you start with a small quantity, because taking out Fevicol or any paint out of water is difficult. You can anyway mix more water later on. So just mix it like we do mix with the for the pakoda or the pancake or for the omelette. Just mix your Fevicol or any thick glue in the water thoroughly, so that there may not be any lumps. And also make sure if you are using clear glue, the spoon craft glue, then you should not mix it with water. You can directly put it on paper and by mistake, if you made extra glue, like thin it out extra, what you can do is you can put it back in any of the bottles and save it for later use. Like for example, if you feel like extra ban gaya hai, abhi kya karna hai, so what you can do is you can put it back in any of the bottle and then use it later on. And if you have finished, if you mixed your Fevicol in water, if your glue is ready, just give me a thumbs up so that I can show you how to start with the project. And if you feel like कि कैसे पता चलेगा कि बराबर है या नहीं, or any of the craft store, they may change the quality. Maybe you will not found this Fevicol anywhere nearby. So how you can check whether it's good or not? So you just dip your finger in water and just see if it is sticky. If it is not, you need to mix more Fevicol in it. You can mix more Fevicol in it. So it should be a little sticky, otherwise anyway it will be kind of watery liquid, and it will not be helping you to make your bowl. So make sure your liquid is sticky but not very thick. Fevicol and if you used Fevicol earlier, you may know that it will attract a lot of dust. So it will not be good for your project as an end project. End product. So you should be sure that your water space is clean enough. And I use these toilet roll a lot during my project, because the thing is it's easily available, and also the paper is very thin and very soft, so it to merge with the project very easily. Okay, for me it's like I should put a little more. And if any one of you have made rasgulla or the sweet or any jalebi at home, you would have known कि वो जो चाशनी बनती है ना एक तार वाली, ऐसे करते हैं तो उसमें से वो चिप चिप होता है, something like this. So you need that consistency in your liquid. If you have tissue paper or any toilet paper, those paper will also work, because those are very thin and very easily get moisture in it. So you can use that as well. Just keep on mixing so that it will be a solution for adhesive. There should not be any lumps or any solid part left out in the water. Give me a thumbs up if you have finished it. You guys finished this part because my liquid is almost ready. I can move for the next step. Give me a thumbs up if you have finished it. And I use a lot of random stuff, whatever I could find nearby. And because it's a Fevicol, so you can just peel it off. What did you do? I don't know what you are talking about because I just explained how you can mix Fevicol with the water. So if you can elaborate what you want. Okay, let me see. I'm going to find a very colorful paper for my first layer because that will be your top layer once we remove the this bowl from the this ceramic bowl. Okay, let me just see what else I have. Okay, I have this advertisement, so I'm going to use it as my top layer, but it's not necessary. You can use any of the newspaper, even a toilet roll for it. It's up to you. If you use this kind of tissue, your first layer or the top layer will be very white, so you can paint it very easily, but that is optional. So now what you need to store your paper. Just make small pieces, make a lot of pieces, and it's not necessary that you need to make all the pieces right now. While going through the process, you can store a lot of or make a lot of paper pieces. Okay, so let me bring back my adhesive water. There are 2-3 ways to put glue on the paper. You can directly dump it in water. You can directly dump it and put it on the bowl. Just a minute, I just put a extra layer at the back of my bowl so that the Fevicol will not ruin my water space because I have only one. Okay, either you can do this. If you have a clear glue which you are using without water, papers sticking, but because I have a liquid part, so I'm just going to and start from the base so that when you start putting more layer, your base should be thick. It should not bend. It should take the whole weight of the your end product. So I'm just going to stick a lot of paper now, and this is the third step, and this is where it will take a lot of time as well. It will take around 1 hour, 2 hour. It depends on how much paper you are going to put, but I'm going to put around 10 layers or minimum 5 layer of paper on my bowl so that it is thick enough and it will hold the shape of the object or the base. So just keep on doing it, and if you have have any questions, any doubt, if you have joined late, don't worry. After finishing my demo, I am going to take on the question that I always do. So don't worry about it if you have missed it. With different objects, right? You can use a paper queen in stuff, right? We made a rounded circle, paper queen bowl as well. And what else you can use? You can use any object. You can even use those punches, craft punches, which kids use in their drawing books or for the craft project. You can use that as well. The only thing is you need to prepare your base a lot of better way so that it will hold the shape. And the thinner material you are using, like small paper and all, it won't worry about the drips. If you can see these drips, don't worry about it, because later on we can easily cut it, or we can like remove it later on as well. So it's not a problem. You just need to keep on going and cover the whole surface with the paper. I would have done the paper weaving, like newspaper weaving workshop as well today. Like we can make a paper bowl out of that as well. But the thing is, it will take a lot of time. It will take like a complete day to make a lot of strip out of newspaper, and then it will take around 8 hours to finish one complete bowl and finish it. So if you wanted to learn that as well, just send me messages so that I know that you are interested in that. But this is the easiest way with like you can do it with the kids with like 3 years, 4 year age, and you home. But the only thing is you need to put a lot of layer. I can directly use the tissue paper. I'm just showing you different ways so that you know कि नहीं एक ही तरीका नहीं होता है. There are hundred and thousands ways to finish one project. And you need minimum to minimum 5 layers to finish your project. Let me just see if I can speed it up. What I am doing is I'm basically putting paper on the board and just painting with Fevicol. And because it's toilet roll I am using, it will absorb the moisture very easily. But the thing is, I am just going to show you different ways you can finish your bowl as you like. It's not necessary कि नहीं जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ वैसे ही करना है. You can use any of the material, you can use any of the glue, you can use any shape you want, but you need to finish it. If you are working on a table or on any surface, make sure you put a base thing below your project so that you can clean it after it very easily. And just imagine, if you try to braid one stick, you can braid it very easily. But when you try to braid around like 5 or 10 or 15 stick in one go, you may not be able to braid it, because it shows the unity in strength. And that's the same thing you can show your kids, that if you are able to like tore one paper, it would be very easy for you. But if you work as in harmony, then you may not be able to break it, or like it shows the unity and how the social contact actually work. It's not like कि अकेले हैं तो सब हो जाएगा. Anyway, अकेले तो सब कर ही लेंगे, but it would be much better if we do it as a family, as a circle, as a human being. And make sure you guys finish your own projects, because again, a lot of artists are coming this Saturday and Sunday. Few artists are coming to do, so you need to finish your projects fast. And that's the only reason I keep on telling you the amount of time it generally take to finish one thing. And if you don't finish your projects, it's like you may not be able to practice much. So I always encourage that people should practice a lot, so that they know and they can learn from their mistakes, and what they are not able to do right now, they may be able to do it in like next few days. And as you go, you will learn a lot of things out of your experience. So it's always good to practice and finish, and then again practice with the different art form. Because for entertainment, we can easily go and watch TV and go on YouTube, and because there's a time limitation. So basically, we can help our artists and art to like continue. There's nothing much greater thing other than that, because if we can support our art, like for example, a lot of Indian artists in villages and in a small town, they are leaving their artist work because there is not much support for them. So that's the reason they are leaving it. Support it. If we can learn it, and if we can like pass it through the generation, it would be much better. Like for example, I learned embroidery and sweaters, knitting and crochet from my mother, and she have learned it from her mother. So it's a generations of work, and you can like easily pay a lot of money to learn from the expert, but you never know that your elders, your ancestors, or your family members already know it. So it's always good, and every step you can either use hair dryer or leave it for like 5 minutes. I think I used my hair dryer more than I use, like on my craft projects, more than I use it on my hair. माई हेयर ड्रायर विल बी, यार मेरा जो काम था वो तो किया नहीं तुमने, कुछ रेंडम ही करते रहते हो. And what my plan is, once I am done with the 10 layer, I let it dry for like 24 hours, so that it will dry completely from the inside. Then I'll take it out plan for this project. But it's up to you what, how you want your bone to be look like after you finish. But for me, I'm planning to like make some mandala or doodle on it once I finish. Let's see, maybe in couple of days how it will look like. You can plan now what you wanted to do with it. Like you wanted to paint it, you wanted to put as optional. You can use it as it is. It's up to you, but make sure if you are planning to put like water in it or use water over it, make sure you actually put varnish before doing that, because it's made of paper and glue, so it may not be waterproof as you think. It may be water resist after you put Mod Podge or a lot of Fevicol on it, but it will not be waterproof until unless you put varnish on it. And you can put any varnish is which is available on hardware store. You just need to ask the outdoor wala, and if you are using any hardware varnish, not the crafters varnish, then don't use it for food, because that varnish may like contaminate your food. So don't use those kind of varnish. Use crafters or artist varnish which is available in any of the craft store. Okay, I just put few more there before taking the question, so that you can like make at least a complete layer, and then we will move forward. And it depends, like sometimes it happens you start with one project and you end up with something very different. So what you can do is you can make a lampshade out of it. How to do it? Once your bone is finished, make a hole in the center and then fit a bulb below it. So it will be a lampshade kind of of तो anyone is not limited. It's not like कि मैंने ये सोचा है तो इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But imagination don't have any limit. So you can make anything. You can make bone, you can make a lampshade, you can make a bowl or a fruit basket, or even if you can use it for ear dry ear plant or succulent or those kind of stuff. But it's depend on you how you finish it. I'll finish my bone later on, because it need around 10 to 15 layers, so that it will have a strength to uh, stay like that. And it need around 24 hours to dry completely. Don't take it out before 24 hours. If you try to do that, you may lose the shape of the base you are using. For example, if you are using any square shape, your if you remove it before completely drying, your shape may look like something else, maybe a star or something. Like you may bend it. So don't remove it before 24 hours. I'll remove it tomorrow with the U dries. I'll be doing something else or some other working on a other project, but we can definitely finish it tomorrow. But what you need to do is you need to put a lot of layer before that and finish it, so that once I remove it, I can show you how to try and do different stuff with the same bowl. And then you can choose what you actually wanted to do with it. You can use any kind of glue. Give me this is my last paper. I'll finish it off after I finish the video, because I think I should take the questions so that you can finish it after I finish the video. So just give me like 2 more seconds. I'll just change the camera angle, and then I can take the moment. Rin Sun, just be online for 2 minutes. I take your request. Just let me make my stand stable, because the other stand is a little wobbly, so it will take like 10 seconds more. Okay, it's done. So this is how it is looking right now. But once it's dry, I put at least 10 layers. It will be hard, so just make sure you put enough layers before tomorrow, so that we can finish it off. And just do it now, because it will take around 24 hours to dry completely. So you need to finish it. How can we remove the paper from the original bowl once it's dry? We will do it tomorrow, because it need around 24 hours to dry. So be online at the same time. And if you sometimes it happens on Insta and Facebook, you may not get the live notification around 5:30, but I always go live on 5:30. So you just need to come on our page and check if you can check the video. So once you are finished, you put your bowl in somewhere safe, where there is not many dust or anything. And then tomorrow we will going to remove it from the original board, and then I'm going to show you how to decorate it and how to use it in different ways. So let me see if I can take Rina San 19 on video. Okay, she is unable to join. If anyone wants to join me now, they can send me request. Meanwhile, I'll just scroll through the comments so that I can answer. Thank you, Manveen. Thank you so much. Sure, Sudha, try it out and let me know how it goes. Ramesh, yes, we are going to remove it tomorrow, because it need around 24 hours. And that's the only reason I'm going to finish it my bone with U dries today. And later on tomorrow, I'm going to remove it and show you how to do it. Okay, just a second so that I can scroll. Videsh and I think Mamta and one more person, Indra Mohan. Okay, so I think you guys missed few steps because you joined late. So what you need is you need a base. I'm just holding a toilet paper. I don't know why. You need a base, and then once you decide your base, what you need to do is you need to wrap it with the plastic sheet. If you don't have any food wrap, something like this, you can wrap it with the plastic polythene, which we use for vegetable and other stuff, or you can just put plastic like cello tape or any tape on it, so that when you start putting paper with the glue or the fevicol on it, it will come out very easily and it will not ruin your bone. And next, what you need is you need any kind of craft glue, any white one or any fevicol. So any craft glue is already very liquidy, so you can use it directly. But because I am using fevicol and it's a little thicker, that's why I mix it with the water. And how much you can mix with the water? It's like 1:3. One part of fevicol and 3 times of water. Just mix it and just check if it is sticky. The liquid which you made with the fevicol and water, it's a little sticky. And if it is not, just put a lot more fevicol in the water, and till the time it's become sticky, so it will be your liquid or adhesive for the board. Then so you already prepared the surface. What you need is, if you are using crafter's glue, which is already very liquidy, you can just put it on the paper, on any paper strip, just store it and just put the glue on the liquid. And then just put it on the board. And you need to, let me just show you once again. You need to put a lot of paper, around 10 layers, so that it will hold the shape and it will be tomorrow. Don't touch it. And I'm going to show you how to remove it and how to decorate it later on once it's dry, because it need 24 hours to dry completely. That's why I'm giving you time for till tomorrow, and I have queries, and I'll be happy to answer it. And let's see if somebody have anything else to say. Riti Darshan, please check your internet connection, because it happening a lot of time. A lot of people are using internet, so the speed is a little slow. So you need to switch your internet connection. Yes, Abhishek. So just finish on the layer. Make sure you put at least 10 layer. If you are using any thicker paper, 5 layer are enough. But if you will see, you can feel it when you touch it. No, it should be a little harder so that it can hold the shape. And later on, for the art supply, you can use for the shadow painting. You can use it in many ways. So just finish it, and tomorrow I'm going to show you how to remove it from the board. And if anyone missed the starting part, I already repeated the whole process. So just make it by tonight, so that by tomorrow it is dried enough to. Any questions? Okay, I think everything is clear. Can't join tomorrow. Would have been nice if you had a finished product to show and briefly tell us how to remove it on our own. So be able to join me tomorrow. Don't worry, every video I'm going to upload it on YouTube. You can watch it later on. I don't have any finished product, as I said many times on previous videos, because I'm not at home. I'm not in Indonesia. This rest it for 24 hours so that it is dried enough. Once you feel that it's dry, it's hard, what you can do is uh, just a second so that I can show you the inside part. So you can remove these tapes, and once you remove it, try to extend this plastic wrap and try to shake it. When you shake it, a little wrap will form and you can easily take it out. And I can show you better once you finish it. But it's like the same thing when you make any katori chart or kind of stuff. So you need to shake it, you need to wriggle it a little bit, and then it will take. Or if you are busy, don't worry. I'm going to upload the same video on YouTube so that you can watch it later on. And you can do it by your own. It's not a rocket science. It's so easy that a kid of like 3 year or 4 year old can do it by itself. So don't worry about it. I hope I answered all the questions so that I can take your leave and finish my bowl. You can also finish your bowl and we will see and meet tomorrow. Okay, I am not able to see any other questions, so I am going to take your leave. I am finishing this session. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, please message us. Don't feel shy. Feel free to reach us anytime. Just be a little patient with us so that we can help you and show you more art and craft projects. Bye bye.